Obi na bisa question bi wo me YouTube video bi ase no be reply no na sa reply we order buy no a trigger say ese menye sa video mbra cause sa video ne ba me gidi se bebo amanfo be kenya amanfo e be ma amanfo hope say oh okay sa say na ekoso then mame so menye dey me nko try even though se menye sa video na ba no me kan but if you nipa don na still na on be what doubts nti ense me no me fa me call me phone no na me fa screenshot bi nchire mo. Into here screenshot, I say, bro, still, I can't even make a penny online. Please help me. Obi be reply and say, I think the free cash is the easiest among his recommendations. Since I have already made $43 in the past few months, what I think it means is we're making more than 500 cedis with free cash. Free cash near website we are made by recently, and I about to make a home say website so in case you say. Ope easiest job and baby adwuma wo bebra free cash no adwuma wo pa and yanko free cash no na won say me free cash video no me dem link bi to say sa link no boss so na ko register in case of say we adwuma na bia in case of say we withdraw e be ma me commission of 5 e bia 5% bi pachata say and at the same time so nya commission no ko e bon am tracking so okay video na me buy no video no e effective amamfo timi ye den e make sika wo man for ntimi make sika wo dia then ma ye follow up ma ye video na e dey aba nti ma me ko free cash nti me ba free cash sisi a hwe a sisi a commission na manya 0.11 0. Nti that means ebi ni matimi aye adwuma no ebi ni matimi a withdraw that free cash we no o me withdraw no udru 0.25 kra na ultimate withdraw that means ndu $1 say usika no kra no ye adwuma ko ndu $1 kra na ubetimi a withdraw free cash ya nti see no hwe a 0.11 ye obi ni ma ye adwuma wo ho atimi a withdraw me ye video no free cash no ba ye enche 4 days kra mai nti me ye sure say ebi ni mo one person wo ye adwuma no bebre na mo accumulate sika no bebre and so na ma withdraw pachata say na the same time so yembra Sproutgigs my video about Sproutgigs Sproutgigs we know nipa 2238 and no more use me link na they signing up na nipa 2238 no emu 1236 and no more active omo amaka no omo use link no ebi omo ye adwuma no 1 2 1 3 ebi antimi an work am omo no and omo jaye but omo amaka na de omo timi make sika bebre and na sika na omo make bebre no okay, say last time me video we buy 4 months ago I'm say omo active no more me make iska like more than 10,000 Ghana cedis. Enti sisi ano omo sika omo make no pacho hu omo sika no omo make no emu 5% commission omo nto omo sika ni bi mame website ni bi cha commission because my refer man for their back no enti say already paid enti 5% ene $46 midi can withdraw ye enti $46 in calculating the 5% that means the padona den am make iska was Sproutgigs ya and at the same time so oko stop say ya me was $12.3 nti eno can commission no be excluding $46 na ma withdraw no nti we so can 5% no be that means sa website we ni padona ntimi abaye adwuma bebe wo ho atimi withdraw nti we video now leave comment so won't me make it pen na minim how quick we hear sika no cause e bia we dey obi sika ko yade ba hope so nya sika no quick online and tesa a process into bit me ko check out sa video we me gidi se bebo a we so okay Sproutgigs free cash my videos be about how to make money online into bia we bit me ko check sa video no so follow take on Facebook YouTube subscribe channel no o Instagram account bit me ko follow me or Twitter account bit me ko follow me or TikTok bit me ko ho bit me follow me or me the videos be better me the videos are here o Ghana ha bia de bia unim ade na wo ye no